What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you exactly how I make money from meme coins without ever trading a single one, and why the method I use is the most consistent way to build a crypto portfolio in 2026 without losing anything. Unlike trading, this strategy requires nothing. You have nothing to risk. All you're doing is creating viral coins over and over again, and that's exactly why I'm making this video. I will be exposing the entire strategy without selling you a single course or a paid group. Let's get straight to it. I built this entire portfolio just from diving on chain, and in this video I am breaking down my exact process from finding the narrative on chain and then launching it all the way through, all in this video. The difference between trading and diving comes down to one singular word, and that is control. As a trader, you control nothing that matters. Unless you have like 50% of the supply, you will control nothing, not the liquidity, not the supply, and not the exit. For example, if you buy a coin like this one right here, you have no control on making the coin dump. Only the dev can. You are completely at mercy of the dev, because the dev can do whatever he wants. He can make every single person that bought in his coin become exit liquidity, and he can pocket thousands just by dumping his supply. That's why I hate trading meme coins. I hate risking my money into a coin hoping for it to go up just to get dumped on. Instead, I am the one creating these coins using viral real life narratives. I am the one launching and cashing out as a dev, because now I have the liquidity. Okay, everything is mine. I seed it, I manage it, I can do whatever I want with my own coin as long as it gets a bunch of buyers when I launch it. And in this video, unlike all the other YouTubers, okay, that are fake, I will be exposing my diving strategy from A to Z. I will expose every single step of the process, and for the second half of this video, I will do a live example with a live launch. Okay, you guys will see exactly how it works and how much I make. Let's get straight to it. And by the way, bro, everything in this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. I am purely doing this for educational purposes only. Do your own research, and yeah, bro, let's go. Yep. Now, the most frequently asked questions that I get every single day in my DMs is, where do I dev my meme coins? Now, let me just state facts here. If you are still launching on Pump.Fun, bro, you are just wasting your time, because you will make no money. You cannot control your own liquidity pool, which means you cannot just dump the coin whenever you want, because you don't control the coins. And on top of that, bro, you are only making money from the creator fees, not from your supply, because you don't control the supply, you know, which is drastically diminishing your income. On top of that, bro, it's over competitive. There's like hundreds of thousands of coins deving every single day on Pump.Fun, so your coin is most likely going to get no attention. No one will see it. You might get 1 or 3 buyers, but you know, nothing life changing. That's why you have to take my strategy. You have to be launching on the Raydium DEX, also known as the migrate section. When a coin goes to Raydium, bro, it gets a bunch of attention and a bunch of people basically buys in if you have a good narrative. Like this coin, for example, it was devved 30 minutes ago and now it's on Raydium, and now look at the volume. It's getting a bunch of attention. So we will be using this DEX to our advantage to get buyers in our coin. Now, to launch a meme coin directly to Raydium, bro, do not use Pump.Fun because of all the requirements. Your coin will need to reach a 33.7 thousand migration price for it to level up to Raydium. That's why I have a loophole, and that is by directly deving coins on create meme.io. By making your coins here, bro, it will go directly to Raydium, reaching tens and thousands of traders, and that's exactly what we are looking for. That's why people are gatekeeping this launch pad. Now, here's exactly how to launch a meme coin on create meme.io. Now, obviously you have multiple options, but the first one is to create a coin from scratch. Now, this method is specifically used if you have a community or a project that you want to make a coin out of with a specific name, symbol, and image. Okay, or you can use the free extractor and turn tweets that are, you know, being posted right now while we're talking. You can turn these tweets into coins, right? And you can be the first ever to launch a pull unique meme coin out of a tweet, or you can use the one that I abuse every single day, and that is the copy trending coin strategy right here, also known as vamping. Basically, all these coins have a good narrative, so instead of creating a whole new coin from scratch and taking your chances, you can just relaunch a coin that went viral before or is going viral right now. All these coins, okay, are gaining huge attention, a bunch of buyers, and they just have a bunch of volume. So we will be copying these coins back to Raydium. Just choose one, copy it, and then it's on the migrate section. It's as simple as that, and I will even do an example to show you how it's done and to see how much we make. Anyways, let's get straight to the money. Let me show you exactly how to dev, bro, and we will see how much we make from a vamp. Now, connect your Phantom wallet, click on refresh, and then now you can look for a coin to copy, right? I'm gonna just copy the FAFO coin. I just chose it completely randomly, so you can either choose one that you like or just choose a random one. Click on copy the Raydium. Your Phantom wallet is going to show up, right? Just ignore the block, it's normal. Click on proceed, confirm, understand, confirm, and then the coin will be vamped. Just give it a bit of time for it to load in. Bang. And now it's time to create. Well, first of all, if I go on SoScan, you guys can see that it's live on chain, okay? 15 seconds ago, everything is minted. You guys can go see for yourself. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page right here is where we create our Raydium liquidity pool. Like that, it can be live, and like that, people can buy your coin. You will hold supply. Everything will be good, right? And yeah, so just follow along. For the amount of coins right here, just tap on 90%. This is what I usually do for all my meme coins, okay? I would highly recommend this option for you too, 90%. For the amount of SOL, here is where you will be buying some of your supply in your own coin as a creator. Like that, you will have supply before everyone else, and like that, you will make profits while the coin gets more buyers, okay? So here, put 0.3 SOL. It can be anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana, and if you want it back, you can simply just exit and it will come back in your Phantom wallet. Click on create pool. Your Phantom is going to show up, and then ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm, and understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button, then scroll down, and bang, the FAFO coin is live. Your P&L is going to be right there. And obviously for your P&L, if you want to see how much you're up, click on refresh. And as you guys can see here, bro, we're up on 190 bucks. This is great. This means people are liking our narrative. Now go on your preferred trading platform. It can be literally any platform. I use Photon. Bang, the coin is live. Let me go on the 1 second chart. As you guys can see, we are getting, oh my god, what the fuck? Yo, so many people are buying in, bro. What the fuck? This is exactly what I'm telling you guys. We're already up like $1,000 or some shit. Let me buy in my own coin just to see if we could make money from trading too on the side. Okay, oh my god, what the fuck? It's pumping so much. 5k market cap, 1.9k liquidity. Things are looking insane. This is exactly why you have to be using this method with create.meme.io, bro. On top of that, we have nothing to lose. It costed us nothing to create this coin, which is absolutely amazing, bro. People are going to be mad that I am making this video, but I don't care. I want to help everyone. I'm gonna let this coin run for a bit. When I come back, I'll show you how to cash out, so be right back. Alright guys, I am back, and as you guys can see, we are at a 10k market cap and a 2.8k liquidity. Let's cash out our profits right now. Let me show you how. So obviously, first of all, let's sell our trade. Bang, we made a quick $400 on the side, which is like 4 SOL. Now let's make money from deving. Come back to create.meme.io, and obviously, bro, click on the refresh button to see how much you're up now. And as you guys can see, bro, 2.38k is what we are up, which is absolutely insane, bro. Most coins for me does this, okay, without any promotion. Okay, these are all random people, all organic people buying in, so that is insane. Click on the minus button, and here make sure you do 100%, then remove liquidity. Your Phantom wallet is going to show up. Just wait a bit, and then ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how to do it from the best. Look in my Phantom wallet, bro. 2.39 bands is what I received personally from this Memecoin launch. Now obviously it's all for educational purposes only, but this method is still wide open. Create meme.io will be linked down below in the description. Go try it out, let me know what happens. Like, subscribe, join my Discord. It's all for educational purposes only.